How to transfer Apple Cash to Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you ways to transfer Apple Cash to Cash App. So in order to begin with the following video, make sure that your application is up to date and also check your internet connection. Unfortunately, there isn't direct way to transfer funds from Apple Cash to Cash App or vice versa. Both Apple Cash and Cash App are separate payment systems with their own account and functionalities. There might be some indirect methods you could use. So first of all, that is, you could link your bank account. So if both Apple Cash and Cash App allows transfer to and from your linked bank account, you might be able to transfer funds from Apple Cash to your bank account and then from your bank account to Cash App. Or you can use the third-party services such as PayPal, maybe some other sources. So in order to do this procedure, all you have to do is just open up your Cash App or log in into your Cash App account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Cash App home screen and tap the money tab located right at the bottom. After that, press on it, add cash and choose your desired amount. And you can also use Touch ID or enter your PIN to confirm the transaction at the same time. So that's basically how you can transfer Apple Cash to Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.